How to solve your sinus problem. Sinus problem can range from a seasonal annoyance to a painful problem that affect your daily routine. From home remedy to prescription medicine, there are numerous techniques you can try to alleviate your sinus issue. Don't suffer from sinus pain en pressure needlessly. Using natural remedy. Try rinsing with an typo. Warm saline water rinse through your sinus cavity non a nasal irrigation can help dissolve mucus en as nasal congestion. 1. Be surtout use clean saline water at time you use an typo, en disinfect it thoroughly after use. 2. Try grapefruit seed extract supplement. If you think your sinus problem might be the result of a sinus infection, then you might benefit from taking grapefruit seed extract supplement. Try no scientific evidence that the method work, but some believe grapefruit seed extract a powerful antibiotic property, en vitamin C content may help fight infection. 3. Sinus infection need to be diagnosed by a doctor. Classic symptoms include attic bar oblique with discharge, nasal congestion, tout discomfort, en facial pain or pressure time a divorce when the person long forward or someone tapon i sinus. 4. Be avoir about virus en bacteria can cause sinusity. Bacterial infection need to be treated with antibiotic en virus do no respond to treatment. There is no good way to differentiate between the two, so try waiting affected to see if the infection improve on your or with home remedy. If no, sa doctor for treatment. Yat spicy food. A onion WHO ya spicy food kno, en nug spice can cause a runny nose. If you're experiencing congestion, try yatin spicy food to loosen out mucus in your sinus. Cayenne pepper en horseradish are good option. 5. Use en air humidifié. Dry air cause nosebleed en sinus pain en pressure. Invest in a humidifier for your home. For best reçu, you need to see or sleep near your humidifier. Don't keep it across the room, or it on do you want good. 6. Avoid making your home too humid, which can promote the growth of mold and dust mite, but of which are bad for people with nasal allergy. Less than 50% humidity idéal. 7. Try nasal strip. Nasal strip are sticky cloth strip that go over the bridge of the nose and physically hold nasal passage open to relieve stuffy nose. These are available in a drugstore or convenience store. They typically come in D4 so that is the best for your nose. Stay hydrated. Drinking water help lubricate mucous membrane en inhaling steam help hydrate dry nasal passage en relieve congestion. Try inhaling to steam from a hot shower or from a pot of hot water. 8. Be careful to avoid burning yourself with the steam. If you opt to use a pot of hot water, drop a towel over your eye to trap the steam. Enable you to get the benefit of the steam while keeping your face far enough away from the source to avoid a steam burn. 9. Avoid airborne nasal irritant. Dust, pédandé, pollen, mold, en raguidaral potential allergine. Oté nasal irritants are cigarette smoke en strong perfume or cologne. Avoid smoking en strong perfume, en be surtout dust your home frequently to minimize indoor allergine. 10. If you repeat culprit. Do you tend to get congested or have a sneezing fit when you cuddle or play with your dog or cat? If you think you might be allergic to your pet, avoid letting him or her sleep with you a night tangive frequent to reduce the buildup of pédandé. 11. Frequently vacuuming your carpet or sweeping and mopping your floor will also help minimize indoor allergen from your pet fur. 12. Getting a medical diagnosis. Talk to your general practitioner. Tell your doctor why bothering you in detail. Have you always sinus issue or it a new problem for you? Do you find you feel better or worse at a certain time of the day? Or are you currently finding relief? Be specific about your symptoms because the more data you provide your doctor, the better equipped he will be to help your particular condition. OT question your doctor ma ask, do you have drainage? If so, how much of rock? White color en consistency? Do you feel facial pain or fullness? Reduction or loss of smell? If any of the following are pros, you may have a condition more serious condition tant sinus congestion taneid immediate treatment, IGFV, double reduced vision, swelling around eye, pain when moving eye, severy dash, stiff neck tie pain full to move, or significant or recur nosebleed. Have a visual inspection of your nasal cavity. Before your doctor suggest medication or OT procedure, they will likely perform a visual test. Looking into your nasal passage with a lightoscope will lay your doctor sans irritation or surface level problem with your nasal passage. If necessary, your doctor may refer you to an ear, nose, entra, doctor. Taquant allergie skin prick test. If your doctor recommend it test, they will prick your skin with a small needle containing various allergens. If you show an allergic reaction to any of the prick point, then they will let your doctor know that you are sensitive to a particular allergen. This helpful because it will let you know that you need to avoid pollen. For example, will you might be able to tolerate to take of potential allergen. 13. Avant allergie blue test. For an allergie blue test, it is similar to that of a skin prick test. If your doctor recommend it test, know that the difference it rated en pricking your skin, your doctor will draw via love blue to test for allergen sensitivity. The test is accurate tant skin prick test, but it is useful and widely used. Allergy blue tests are often used in children and other WHO might have complication or problem with the skin prick test. 14. Undergo a CT scan. To get a clear image of what might be wrong with your sinus, your doctor might recommend a CT scan. The scan generate an image of your sinus, so your doctor can see if your issue are being caused by a physical problem like a deviated septum. If your doctor sees no physical problem, then they can rule out a physical cause of your sinus problem. Tip. Tell your doctor about the medicine you take, including supplement, OVT en prescription. Ne mix medicine unless your doctor